I'll be alright, I'ma be alright. Tell me say you're leaving, you tell me say you're leaving, girl. Say you're leaving, what more can I say? Enjoy your life, girl, have a lovely day. Girl, look how much time you say you're leaving and me never beg you come back. When me an easy girl, you never give me comfort. But now you want me back again. So you see me apart with a sexy friend. Me used to treat you so nice, but you never appreciate that. Your friend them carry news to you, me no rate that. Girl, me can't go through this again. You walked out in the end, so why you still and watch me? You know I say you want your friend, them a be a paparazzi. Once it true, you can't find nobody out there to match me. That's why you still a watch me. You thought I would be unhappy, so you just a watch me. You regret say you catch me. I true you see me move on now. Me and my new friend I get me groove on now. I'm comfortable in whose I'm now. You want to know, I bet you want to know. Alright then, you build fake pages and I try to reach out. Things about me new girl you want to seek out. When me buy her, when me carry her, when me gone with her, when me power you take it far. So why you still a watch me? You know I say you want your friend them a be a paparazzi. Once it's true you can't find nobody out every match me. That's why you still a watch me. You thought I would be unhappy, so you just a watch me. You regret say you catch me. You a search, and still you can't find. You a try to mash up my peace of mind. Girl, you walked out. What the watching and the peeping and the stalking all about? So why you still a watch me? You know I say you want your friend them a be a paparazzi. Once it's true you can't find nobody out every match me. That's why you still a watch me. You thought I would be unhappy, so you just a watch me. You regret say you catch me.